So here are the common questions that I've been getting a lot about attending my in-person workshops. So pretty much the workshop will start roughly around 10 a.m. and finish about 5 p.m. with some breaks and some snacks and some one-on-one time with me as well. So these in-person workshops are one-day intensive workshops. So you will learn a lot even though it's just one day. So specifically what is covered, it's all on our website. So make sure you go to photographybyrochelle.com/workshops, click on the workshop that you want to attend, and I've specified in dot points everything that we're covering. Plus, I really want to mention here and highlight that you do get some one-on-one time with me. We're doing a lot of hands-on experience. So I always ask you if you can, bring just any doll. You'll have a wrap each, so we can also practice those wrapping skills. So for location, these are the ones that are currently available. Plus, to find out more for any future in-person workshops, go to the website below and register down the bottom your name and email, and we will email you once we have an in-person workshop released. No, pretty much all you need is a camera. If you can, that would be absolutely great because you can get to take some shots and I can teach you exactly angles and how to take the shots in regards to light, and you can use those shots for your own portfolio as well. So we are encouraging attendees to bring in their camera if you can, but I know some of you are just starting out. So whatever camera you have, that's okay. Don't feel like you can't bring it in because it's not a top professional camera. That's all right. Bring it in and I can help you, learn and take those great shots and get the right angles and lighting as well. If you don't have a doll, that's okay. So this is something new I'm trying to experiment with. So anything that you have, bring it in. You can buy any cheap doll, that's fine. If you don't have a doll, there's always mine you can practice with, but we do encourage you to bring something in just so you can get started with those wrapping skills. It is ideal to understand of how to use a camera. I've had people that I've mentored are only using cameras on auto, not manual. That's still okay. If you still have a passion to start and grow and learn new skills, that's all right. We don't go in depth and cover camera skills. There isn't enough time in one day. My main focus is to learn how to, welcome clients, settle baby, pose baby, wrap baby, taking camera shots with angles, lighting, posing, using props. So that's mainly what we're going to cover. So if you don't know how to use a camera in manual mode, that's still okay. As long as you're familiar with your camera and how to use it, then that should be fine as well. Definitely. So I always encourage everyone, don't spend your money on props and things when you need to improve your skills and get started. Newborn photography is a bit complex and it is a bit scary starting off new, working with these small babies. So it is really important with whatever workshop you attend or whatever you do, to always invest in your learning, because even though you learn, you need to go home and practice. But it is really ideal to get as much information and to learn as much as you can, so you know when you're practicing exactly what you're doing. I'm trying to keep it at a maximum of 5 people because, like I said, I want to give you that one-on-one time with me. So a maximum of 5 to 6 people, but we'll know closer to each workshop day. I plan not to do a lot of international workshops. I do live in Australia and traveling is hard, but because I am heading to the Middle East, I decided to do these 3 workshops currently. So if you are thinking of attending, we do have limited spots available. Make sure you go to the website and you register. So until these spots are filled, we will close registration. So make sure if you have any questions, you do send them through to us through email. But no, I don't plan to do anytime soon more workshops, because I also teach through my membership, the Newborn and Photography Business School, which, by the way, you get 3 months free access to come in after the workshop and get support from me and learn more. Yes, definitely. So you want to showcase to your clients that you have some sort of training. So I do give you a certificate to thank you for attending one of my workshops, and you will get that in your goodie bag or your show bag at the end of the workshop. So hopefully I've answered most of your questions. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, make sure to leave them below, and hopefully I get to see some of you guys in one of my in-person workshops. Bye for now.